to the we don't have to add no salt. Yeah, look at that, people. Juicy. Yes, Yahman Nation, what up? We're there up on the riverside again. What you say? Where's the sky? Alright, so people, I'm going to jump off into this. There's one part around there so as well. So we are going to check out. So we are going to do that, alright? Wanna watch the video? We're out here having some. So Yahman Nation, we're going to cook some food right now as I did say. We're going to do some saltfish fritters. You see me? That we are going to cook, that we are going to mash up to the people. Right? And have a good time seeing it. What that? Gogglers? So people, me I go build the fire. I go build the fire. So catch me when me I build the fire, alright? Mad thing, good thing, great things. Love you. So we are catching fire upon a rock. A rock then call the bigger version of stone down, babes. Yeah, man. Alright, that's how we are building fire, people. Kind of professional at building fire, you know. Professional, yeah. A big chef, you know. That's fire too, people. I'm not sure. Only for wind and they down that side there, so fire supposed to catch fast. Yahman Nation. That's a one. Alright, so if anything. So when it fully catch and thing I will put on a pot, we catch you guys back then, alright? Go and watch this video. So we're going to get on the pot on fire and thing now. We have water and we have a little pot. You see me? So I get it on to boil the saltfish. Boil the saltfish and then when we're done boil the saltfish, you know what else come out. We add in the water. So now we are going to add the saltfish in that and make it go and cook, alright? So yeah people, we are going to wash off the saltfish, wash off some of the salt off of it. Like that. Now litter the place. These are the saltfish people. Very pretty. We are going to drop them in the pot now. Say yes now, man. Alright, so I make that go and boil. So we catch you back when that boil up and thing, alright? Go and enjoy the video. Watch how the falls beautiful. Catch the river. Yeah, nation. So, guys, the saltfish are boil up. We're gonna cut up the seasoning them, the natural seasoning for going on the flour. While that go and boil, when that done boil, we add that to the flour as well. Cause we say we are make some saltfish fritters, right? So when that done boil, we're gonna add it to the rest of the ingredients. So. Right, and Monica cut up the natural seasoning them the people.
So because the kids are not really, well, Nate and Sky not really like onion, I try my best for dice it up. So when they eat it, they not really get a big chunk.
So we're gonna bring the cutting board with you next time.
When it's a cutting board of it, unprofessionals.
No. First me I make saltfish fritters in a people. Me never make it before. I thought we are making. Me never do it before people, so I first. So I hope this turn out good. Although Anne Monica do it still. Just an assist.
See season our own way. Sit down, cook me.
Anne Monica cut up them fine as possible without a cutting board. The skilling people. A skill work that man. Me and I help cook the nation.
We call this onion lies. Every time I hear people say something confused. A scallion we call it.
Scallion. This is onion. What kind of onion is this? Brown onion.
White onion.
White onion, you have purple onion. You know, someone try purple onion.
Purple or a red then can. A red onion then
No, purple onion.
No, a red then.
People don't have purple onion.
A red then called.
No,
Pretty
a purple
sure
onion.
a red then call
People
it.
prove them wrong. Because I know see a purple onion.
It look purple.
Alright, I put up a clip in people.
It should have been purple onion. What's on a purple onion then call it? A red onion.
Alright, we are going to see what them say. Tell us say people. That one here a white onion, right? And the next one a purple onion.
Red.
We add the pepper in it too. Not much. Me and I love pepper, me and I love pepper. And Monique, and the kids them no love pepper. Not Rani I love pepper that much, but me and Nana love pepper.
Me eat things spicy. They like things overly spicy. Doesn't make sense. They like bun yaya, bun mouth pepper.
No. Alright people, so I'm going to checking back on the saltfish and get the saltfish ready. So we catch you guys back here. So we're there, I check back on the saltfish people, it look ready. So we're going to get it off and get it prepared and things. Alright, go and watch the video. See there? Saltfish, codfish. Alright, so people, we are going to strain off the hot water off of the fish. Ooh. Just like that, people. They throw off the water now. We're going to add some water to the hot saltfish to cool it down, alright? Alright, so we are going to clean off the thing. Them thing here. Yeah. Clean off them here. Because we don't want them here pan it. So we take off them part off of it. Just like that. Let me just arrest it right just a little bit. See that people so easy come off? So boil, yeah. So now we're gonna mince them up, people, and take out the bone out of it. Like so. Right?
No one nobody a choke on the bone.
Yeah. The bone in very nice. Take off the saltfish off it. So people, we catch you guys back when we are add it to the flour, alright? Wanna watch the video. We add the saltfish to the scallion and the green seasoning then. Just like that. Give that a stir. Then we are gonna add in the flour. Whole heap of saltfish that in. We don't have to add no salt to it because you don't know it's a saltfish and it's salt already. You see me, nation? Remember, enough people like up the video. Just like that.
If you're new to the channel and you have not subscribed, subscribe and hit that notification bell button.
Yeah. So we are stir it up. I feel like we should have mixed it up in a bigger pan. Alright, we are adding some water in it. Pour water, man, more water.
Put some water.
Alright. Yes, people.
Yeah,
So we are adding some black pepper in it, alright? Yeah, man. Give them a look in it, and make them so go on.
Say yes, no man.
So yes, no man. Oh, I'm to the fly there. Watch it, no fly. Yeah, look at that, people. You see that? Yes, no man. We do this now. We do this now, people. So remember, people, no like up the video and subscribe if you not subscribe as yet. As Niana say. So we are get this mix up and ready up, and then we are throwing them in a pot. You guys get to see that. Alright? Well, enjoy the review. So people, we are going to put on the frying pot. So, right? Alright people, so we are going to add in some oil in our pot. Alright, watch out, go on. Just like that. The pot now. The pot now level enough, people, so I'm going to try to get it level, alright? See that? Now the oil hot down thing now. So we're going to drop in the flour. So watch where I go on. See that, nation? Tell me that this no look good. Yes, people. Two of us fire go on wicked enough. Go and watch the video, people. Feel. What a nice though. Alright people, so we are going to flip them to them fry on the other side. Alright? Watch what I want. So them are swell and things. Just like that. Look at them people. Oh my gosh. Watch there. Yes, just like that, people. Right? And we have the rest of them right here, so we have to add to the pot. Right? So you now enjoy yourself? You are going to swim? Yeah, people, it's a good vibes at the river. Some saltfish fritters. And the kids might enjoy themselves. Look at that. See that? Yes, people. Crispy. Alright, so we are going to add in the rest of them, then go and fry and thing. So, do the right thing, people, the right thing. Go and walk around here, son. Check in back on the fritters them and thing. Me and I go flip them this time, alright? So we're gonna just watch a young chef come out. Me and the chef, you know, people. Yes, no man. Alright, people, you know what to do already. So far the river go round. I'll probably go around there so and show you guys some footage of it. So just go and watch the video. We make you guys carry you guys around there, make you guys see what around there, okay? Alright. Me and the bad chef. We have to set the people, them chef. Yes, no man. pan. Pin it in the right side of here, so. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. You want some of my dumpling? Some of this you want, you know, people. That looks so fabulous. Delicious. Nyam, 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 nyam. We're gonna nyam it up. We're gonna eat it all. So, wash up we think them, people. Another water we cook with, you know. So don't think I to cook with, you know, people. You see me? We bring our own cooking water, alright? Yeah, wake me up. Bonus, wake me up. Water. Highly blessed. So yeah, people, we're done fry up the fritters them now, so we are going to share up and eat up. So just go and watch the video, watch what I go, and remember, you know, people, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're not subscribers yet. So we are going to dig into this. Look at it.
Nate wants to see too.
Take one. Right, so take out one. Yes.
And listen in. How it tastes. Good. It tastes, Mom.
See tomato them. See saltfish. Can't see really see nothing else. You can probably see onion and there's stuff to it. But it tastes good.
Yeah, man. You can taste the starfish. You can taste the natural seasoning them and thing. It's bad, people. You're wicked. It turned out great. Yeah, man. So you guys should try these ingredients, alright? Yeah, man.
The ribeye is also very nice.
Where's the new now? How it is?
Tastes great.
We have good job though. Where's the need? So you like it?
Yeah.
So it is.
Tastes good, man.
Alright. Let's see. So yeah, man, nation, thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys do enjoy the video, remember to drop a like, share, comment and subscribe. Alright, people? We're going to get some more swim and enjoy the place some more. Alright? Enough love and respect. We catch you guys in another adventure. Alright?
Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode.
Enough love and respect. Dumpling, we're out. Yeah, people!
Yo, Bills!
Where the catch of your ear? Where the catch of your ear?
Go!
Oh, swim, guys, swim, 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 swim. Come, high five. Bam! You did it!
Good job. Ain't you alright? Made cool.
Yeah, people, it's a fun time. Can you swim? You are race people? Alright, come, me and you are race people, come. Come here, run, let you bust me and swim. Ready? Set?
Alright, me a set now.
Alright.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Go, Nina, keep going.
Yeah. That was
That was a workout.
yeah, that was a workout. That's my workout for your time on.
Good, Nana?
Good. Ready to go on now?
It was a good day. Good day. I mean, I know how that come out of one. Anyways, it was a good day. We cooked some food. Food tastes nice. I can try out the recipe if you never eat saltfish fritters yet. Yeah, and a place here really nice. In name, what your name, babes? Yeah, we are gonna drop your name in the description. Yeah, drop your name in the description. But anyways, thank you guys for always tuning in. We love you guys. Yahman Nation, we're thankful for always. And we only can grow bigger. So just send out the video to your friend them, to your family, to people all over. When you know say I gonna like the adventure with us and just join in. Alright, see you next time.